Alright, guys. There don't seem to be any trades at the moment. I don't think I'm going to find a trade because I was gonna make this video like earlier today, like at 2 a.m. But basically, around that time, I was saying that I'll be targeting this shit later, but it already took it out. So now I'm just really waiting. Uh, 10 o'clock. I mean, it is reasonable for it to like, retrace, but even that, I wouldn't trust it too well. But yeah, no, I don't know. I don't think we gonna have any trades today. But I'm gonna just do some recaps. When did I leave off? Uh, so yeah, that phase two that I had, I blew that shit. That that problem that I always have when one day I just be fucking taking a shit ton of trades. That happened, so I ain't really tripping too much about that. But I am doing another challenge right here. As you can see, currently up 1,800 on this evaluation. Oh, what the fuck? And let's just go over the trade yesterday and Monday too. I did take a trade on Monday too. See, now I gotta find it. It was, I think it was right here. Yep. And also here. Wow, they're very identical. What the fuck? So on Monday, see, now I gotta retrace my steps. So on Monday, 10 o'clock. Okay. Yeah, so Monday I was targeting these highs right here. Wow, they are very identical. Nah, look at it. They're fucking they're the same trades, man. So I was targeting this high up here because I like to see price play around first, like at around 10, because that's when most of my trades happen at like 10 o'clock. So you can see price went all the way back down, revisited the opening price of this candle right here. And mind you, we are still overall bullish. And I am aware they already took out, these highs up here, this, which is very reasonable for it to go lower, which it did, looking at hindsight. But at that time, at that time it was 50-50, you know what I'm saying? Because it was doing all this shit here. I said, okay. So we did all this. We went all the way back down, revisited opening price of this hourly candle. And considering how that 9 a.m. candle formed, like it was pretty bullish. We just had a nice little wick up here. You know what I'm saying? Did all that and it started pumping up here. I said, okay. And it was right here. I remember it was right here when this thing happened. This move happened. I said, okay. That's when I took a trade. Hold on. It was a market execution. I mean, this would have been the best entry. This retracement here, but at that point, it was 10:30. Around 10:30, I was expecting it to run up. I was targeting this. I said, okay, if price pushes down, which is where my stop is, we're more than likely going lower. So it started going up. As you can see, it didn't take out the high, but I was watching ES at the same time. I've been doing that shit lately. I was watching ES and fucking, NASDAQ. I was like, okay, this high here on the ES, it was taken out. I was like, if this high gets taken out on the ES, I'm taking my shit out too. And it took it on the ES, and then look at that shit. It just started dropping. Nah, at that point, I don't give a fuck what the fuck happens, because I'm already out. So that was the first trade. Second trade. Now that I look at it, they're fucking damn near the same trades, man. It was right here. It's 10 o'clock right here. But I said this is a perfect trade. We had clear draw and liquidity. Previous day high. If you look at how that high formed. I was like, okay, I was really surprised that that high wasn't taken out before a silver bullet session. So that was just a no brainer trade right there. We also tapped into the order block. I was like, oh shit, everything here lining up. And look at how this candle formed, like pretty much the same shit as this. Tap into the order block right here, boom. I was like, okay, it did all this. It still left this buy side, clear drawing liquidity. This low should be protected. 9 a.m. form like this. I was like, okay. Another good thing is when this formed, just like this one, just like this one, price went all the way back down, played around, revisited opening price and all that. Started playing around. It was like Tuesday. Okay, I gotta find my entry. Right here. Yeah, I was taking trades beforehand too, but I was managing them like properly, so I really wasn't taking. I wasn't. I actually didn't take any losses for now. I took like a little bit of profit. Mm, this was my last entry right here. I gotta find that here. I know it was a little bit early, 10 o'clock than normal. Is it right here? Okay, it was right here. So I'm just box this out. So yeah, same thing as Monday, revisit opening price, and yep, I entered right here. It was around here some. Why do I keep fucking? It was over here somewhere. Stops here. TP up there. Let's go to the 1 minute. Yeah, right here. Look, I entered right here. This candle. So it was more like that. Reason why. Okay. Oh, you fucking kidding me. So basically, I just figured we already made enough retracement. If we are going after that high, it should do it now. Made enough retracement, tapped into these order blocks here, you know. Fuck, God damn, man. Revisit the low. And then we had this, nice displacement up here. This would have been the best entry right here, but at the same time, it was the same fucking entry that I was in. And this retracement here was kind of making me a little nervous. But where my stop was a valid valid area for my thing to be invalidated for my trade idea. So at that point, I was like, okay, if price takes me out, it's gonna be invalid. Once it started making this move here, move my stops up here, and eventually moved it here. And same thing as the other trade, I was also watching ES, and I knew this was gonna get taken out. But at that point, I was sitting in drawdown for a good amount of time. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna just target previous hours high. So like right here. And yeah, that pretty much it. That's what happened. You can see I closed right here. Just right here. Yeah, just before it took out the high. But at that point, man, I was satisfied with how much I was making. So I was like, fuck it, I don't give a fuck. And look at how accurate my target was. As soon as it took it out, it just started falling back down. You know what I'm saying? And my cousin was also trading this. I told him, close your trades because the target's already been taken. There's no clear draw on liquidity anymore. And I was right. Yeah, that's about it for this one. Quick, easy trades. They were really not. I really liked how those trades went because the way I managed them too. Fuck with it. See right here. I don't like how it's so messy, man. Yeah, that's one thing I'm working on though. As you can see, I took a lot of trades beforehand before the big winning trade. I'm trying to minimize that, but I'm starting to figure it out though. But yeah, that's about it for this video. Just a little update what's going on. I don't know if I'll be able to find a trade today. If I do, I'm gonna try to do a live trade. But that's about it for this video though. And you guys probably noticed that I sound a little different. This is a new mic that I got. It's very crisp. But yeah, that's about it for this video. As always, thank you for watching, whoever watching out there, and I'll see you guys in the next one.